Hello scholars, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to start the syllabus of our term 2. Okay, we will start with chapter 7 from our New Images textbook. Get ready with your books and open page number 66. Let's read the chapter name and remember to put your index finger below the words that we are reading. Now let's read chapter name, Two Little Kittens. There is a line below it. Let's read that. Where a useless Q-U-A-R-R-E-L quarrel, nearly L-E-A-D-S leads to disaster. Now, who is the poem about? Two little kittens. Okay, and what is a kitten? A cat's baby, yes, is called a kitten. So, this is about two little kittens. And in this poem, what happens? They both quarrel. They have a fight verbally, which might have led to a disaster. But let's see if that happened or not. And children, it is this quarrel between two kittens is just same like how you fight with your brother or sister, isn't it? For simple things about toys or so. So let's continue reading and find out what the kittens fight about. Page number 67. Put your finger below the first line. Two little kittens, one S-T-O-R-M-Y, stormy, N-I-G-H-T, night, began to quarrel and then to fight. One had a mouse, the other had none. And that's the way the quarrel B-E-G-U-N begun. So what did we read till here? Two little kittens, one stormy night. Stormy night means there was a storm about to happen that night. There was very fast wind. Yes, a stormy night can lead to disasters, isn't it? Yes. So what happens on such night? They began to quarrel. They began to fight. Okay. And one had a mouse. One kitten had a mouse. The other did not have anything. And that's the reason how the quarrel, the fight began. Began means started. Okay. Let's continue with the second paragraph. I will have that mouse, said the biggest cat. You will have that mouse? We will see about that. I will have that mouse, said the E-L-D-E-S-T, eldest one. You shan't have the mouse, said the little one. So how they are fighting? That I will have that mouse. I will have that mouse. Yes? Yes. In the first line it said, the biggest cat said, I will have that mouse. Then, you will have that mouse? There is a question mark. We will see about that. The other cat said, I will have that mouse, said the eldest one. The one who is eldest, the one who is older, okay, among them, said that I will have that mouse. And you shouldn't have the mouse. Who said this? The little one among them. Okay, so that's how they were quarreling, fighting. Third paragraph, let's read. I told you before. TWAS, twas a stormy night when these two little kittens began to fight. The old woman, Seized, seized her sweeping, sweeping, broom, and swept the two kittens right out of the room. So, I told you before, it was a stormy night. Here, TWAS is written in short for it was. Okay? So, it was a stormy night when these two little kittens began to fight. So, it was a stormy night when they were fighting. And the old woman with whom these kittens stayed, what did she do? The old woman seized her sweeping broom. First thing, seized, the meaning of sneeze is to forcefully snatch something, take away. Okay? Her sweeping broom with what we sweep our house, that is a broom. Okay? And swept the two kittens with the broom. She swept the two kittens right out of the room. She sent them out. Now let's continue what happened to the kittens. The ground was covered with frost and snow, and the two little kittens had nowhere to go. So they laid them down on the mat at the door, while the old woman finished sweeping the floor. Now, when they were out of the house, the ground was covered with frost and snow. What is frost? It is a layer of ice. Okay, whenever it snows, the ice gets settled on the ground and a layer is formed. That is frost. Okay. So, the ground was covered with frost. So, you can imagine how cold it might have been. And the two little kittens had nowhere to go. They just cannot go anywhere. So, what did they do? They laid them down. They were lying down on the mat. Okay, at the door. The doormat which we have. There, on that, they were lying down. Well, till the old woman finished sweeping the floor. The old woman was sweeping the floor, so they waited till she finishes it. Okay. Now turn to page number 69. Then they crept in as quiet as mice, all wet with the snow and cold as ice, for they found it was better that stormy night to lie down and sleep than to quarrel and fight. So after the old woman swept the floor, they slowly got inside, just like the mouse. Okay, and all wet as snow. All wet with the snow. Okay, and they became very cold too because they were outside. Okay, for they found it was better that stormy night. So that stormy night, what did they feel that was better for themselves? To lie down and sleep and not to quarrel and fight. Else the old woman would throw them outside the house once again. Isn't it a funny, cute little poem? Yes, let's continue with the exercise A1. Mark true or false. Now we all know true means right, false means wrong. Okay, we have to read the sentences, and if they are right, mark it T, or if they are false, we need to put a tick on F. Okay, let's read the first one. The two kittens were fighting over an ice cream. So, were they fighting about an ice cream? No, they were fighting about what? A mouse, right? So, that's wrong. Put a tick on F. They fought on a stormy night. Is that right? Yes, they were fighting on a stormy night. Put a tick on T. Next, the old lady swept them out of the room. That's correct, isn't it? Put a tick on T. It wasn't very cold outside. Was it cold? Yes or no? It was very cold. It was snowing out there. So that's a wrong sentence. So put a tick on F. Okay? Now children, I want you to read the poem again and then go to the description box below. There is a link. Click on it. Open the PDF. There are dictation words and question and answers related to this chapter. Read them and then write them neatly in your English copy. And there is a small worksheet as well. You can do it in a revision register or on a paper. Okay? But keep it carefully. Alright, I will see you in the next video. Till then, you all take care of yourself and be safe at home.